Hey guys, this is Karol yet with another affiliate marketing video, and today we are going to talk about the importance of a bridge page in your affiliate marketing business. Alright, now we're going to talk about what exactly is the bridge page, alright, and why you should even bother creating one for yourself. Alright, so let's get straight into our today's topic and let's have a look on what exactly is this bridge page all about. So in order to understand the importance of the bridge page, we need to understand the positioning of the bridge page in our sales funnel. Now guys, if you even want to use your bridge page, you probably are already using some kind of a sales funnel or a sales process in your affiliate marketing business, okay? So you probably have something very similar to this, what I'm going to draw on our whiteboard over here, okay? So you probably have, obviously you have the traffic, all right, which are the new people, customers, all right, that you are sending to kind of like an opt-in page, all right, where you have your headline, then there is a place where they can put their email address, and then there is a button. So once they click on the button, they go to our bridge page, all right, which is again some kind of a headline, then there is a video or some kind other kind or form of information, and then there is the button to go further, which goes where? To the sales page, right? So now guys, if this doesn't ring any bell to you, okay, if you have no idea what I am talking about over here, then don't worry about it, okay, don't freak out. I have a 4-day video series where I go in great detail about how to build your affiliate marketing business from A to Z, okay, profitable business that brings in consistent sales, all right, and there is a whole video dedicated for the sales funnel, how to create it, what is the importance of all of these positionings, okay, what is this all about, how to create it, okay? So if you're interested in that, go ahead, grab it. It's the first link in the description below. It's completely free and you get full access to it, all right? I will see you inside of it if you decide to go for it, okay? Now let's get back to our drawing over here. So over here we have our opt-in form, okay, and here we have our bridge page. Now there are different types of the bridge pages that you can use. It can be, you know, either one page or it can be a series of pages, okay, and then there are also different types of bridge pages, okay, which we are going to talk about in a minute. But let's get into the importance of this bridge page, okay? The first one is that it actually delivers on your promise from the opt-in page, okay? So number one, deliver, okay? Now what do I mean by delivering on your promise? Well, in your opt-in page, in your headline, you probably say something like, for example, learn how to lose weight in 4 weeks, right? Put your email down below to find out. So these people that you drive there put their email over here, they click on the button, and what they expect is to actually learn how to lose weight in 4 weeks. So on this bridge page where you send them to, you're actually going to deliver on this promise. You're going to teach them how to lose weight in those 4 weeks, all right? Now, don't freak out. It doesn't need to be any rocket science, okay? You don't need to show them the exact blueprint, the diet plan, the exercise plan, or whatever it is. That's if they are interested after your information, they have the option to grab your product that you're promoting, you're offering, which might be actually the diet plan, the exercise plan, whatever it might be, okay? That's for them to buy and grab the product you're promoting, okay? That's for the sales page. But on the bridge page, you're going to deliver the promise by giving them some information, some valuable information that is going to help them achieve their goal, okay? It can be tips, it can be some tricks, okay? It can be information about, for example, if it is about losing weight, you can talk about something like, you know, about how eating vegetables as your dinner or your last meal is really helpful in, you know, losing weight. Or you can talk about how specific exercises for specific body parts are really helpful, okay, or useful, whatever it is, okay? You can be creative with this, be creative and stay in your category, in your niche, right? That's pretty much delivering the promise. Now, there are different ways how you can deliver your promise, okay? The number one way, and probably the best one, is recording a video, just like this one, face to face, right? That's the best possible way you can do, all right? I highly recommend it to everybody. I know many people are afraid of going in front of a camera. I was the same, so I can really understand it, but it's really worth overcoming your fear of camera, okay? Now, if going on a face-to-face camera isn't really a no-no for you, there are ways around it. You can record a screen and do a voiceover over it, or you can create an animated video, okay? But I highly suggest you to do I highly suggest you to do a video, because video marketing is really, really powerful, and it's the marketing of today. If you want to learn more about video marketing and about why you should actually use video marketing in your affiliate marketing, then go ahead and check my video over here, okay? Now, again, there are other ways. You can do some cheat sheets, you can do some downloadable PDFs or whatever, but I highly suggest you using video, okay? So that's number one reason. Now, the second reason, and why it is very useful and very powerful to use a face-to-face video, is that you implement or incorporate yourself into this whole process, okay? Which is, let's just put you, okay? You put yourself into the sales process. Now, what do I mean by that? Up until this point, okay, nobody knows about you, okay? If you don't put the bridge page, if it wasn't for the bridge page, nobody would know anything about you, that you even exist, okay? And they will not know who is behind all of this, okay? All of this process. By you putting this bridge page over here and you putting yourself in this bridge page, you let people know you, okay? That, okay, this person is behind all of this, all right? So they start to know you, and you let them pretty much connect with you, create a relationship with you, all right? And you let them like you, okay? You let them kind of like start to like you. Obviously, you will have people who will not like you. That's just how it is, okay? But you will definitely have also people who will like you, all right? And now, why is this so important? Building this relationship with your viewers, with your customers, with your potential customers. Understand this. We as human beings, we tend to do purchase-based decisions on our emotions, okay? We don't necessarily buy the best product, like technically the best product or the cheapest option, all right? We usually buy the product because we either like the brand or the product itself, or the person who is selling the product, all right? Now, this is very important, because over here in this process, there is a big chance that people will not know about the product, okay? They will not know the brand, they will not know who is behind it, they will not know the actual product itself. But you creating your bridge page, you will actually let them know who you are, they will start to know you, like you, and eventually they will trust you that this is a good product for them, and then they will buy from you eventually anyway, okay? So this is really important, putting yourself into this whole process and therefore creating the relationship and connection with your viewers. Alright guys, so this is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you got some aha moments. I hope you understand the importance of the bridge page. If so, let me know in the comments below. Alright, give me thumbs up if you like the video, if you got some valuable information. And listen guys, if you are interested in building your affiliate marketing business and you want to kickstart it and you just want some guidance and extra help, you want to learn how to actually implement yourself into this whole process, then go ahead, grab my 4-day video series where I talk about creating the whole system. It's an A to Z blueprint how to build your affiliate marketing business from scratch. All right, so if you're interested in that, I will see you inside of it. If not, completely fine. I wish you a great rest of the day, and I will see you in the next videos. Bye guys.